Alright guys, so we're going to start a live stream here from the drone. As you can see here, the button over there showing you that it is live streaming. But, unfortunately, later on, what happens is it seems to fail the live. There you go. Starting live stream failed, check, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Do you guys know what the problem is? I wish I knew what the problem is, but I never know what the problem is. I know I typed out all the information that was supposed to be done, and it was a dyslexic man's nightmare to get all the keys in and all that. But as you can see, it starts the live stream and ends the live stream, so maybe it still fails. Who knows? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. I hope that somebody knows what the problem is and how to fix it, and will put it in the comments. I'm not holding my breath because this is YouTube, but maybe YouTube will surprise me this time. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, it's tax day. It's tax day. Love it? Hate it? Who knows?
Likey.